everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the second part to continue modeling the drill as shown here. So I'm gonna go to select all these vertices as shown here. Hit reform side view. I'm gonna be scaling those just a tiny bit. Scale them tiny bit, then grab them at this point. Turn off the X-ray mode. Let's see what we have. I think we should shear this all these faces, loop of faces. Switch to face selection mode. Select this loop of faces. Go over here to toolbar. Search for the shear tool, click on it. Let's shear it like this, just a tiny bit, to match the shape and make the realistic shape of the drill. Select this loop of edges, hold down Alt, click to select this loop of edges. You should make sure that you have switched it to the edge select mode like this. I think I should use the shear tool again, but so let me slide it using GG. Just like this, closer to this edge over here. I think it's good. Then let's select these two edges like this. So let's see what we should do. In this case, I'm gonna be sliding them edge twice. Let's slide it. Let's add another loop cut controller to this section. And for the other section also. I'm gonna be sliding this edge. Also, let's select all those edge loops. Hold down Shift, Alt. Make sure that you have selected all these two edge loops. GG slide it just a tiny bit up. Then I'm gonna be sliding this edge and this edge. And slide it like this. I think it's not bad. Switch to vertex selection mode. Slide this vertex over here. Switch to face select mode. Select these two faces. Let's inset them. Grab them on the Z axis. Just like this. Let's scale them tiny bit. I think we should scale them. Let's scale them on the y-axis, S and y-axis. Just like this will be fine. So this time I'm gonna be selecting this edge loop. Let's select all those vertices. let's scale them. Select all those vertices also. I'm gonna be using the X-ray mode to select all those vertices. Of this area, just of this area, because the X-ray mode allows you to select all those vertices sticking around this area on both sides. Then let's scale them inward just tiny bit to match up the realistic shape of our drill. I think it's fine. So let's see what we should do. In this case, let's continue modeling. I think it's pretty amazing. So we need to add some other detail. But something went wrong, so let's slide this vertex to this section, digit-wise, and scale it closer to this vertex over here. And it's done. And that's it for this part. See you in the next tutorial to continue modeling this drill.